Good one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yo, chat. Chat. These tweets are off the rails. Chat. These tweets are off the rails. What? Jesus. Chat, guys, I would normally not laugh at this, but it just backfired. Like, I don't know what to tell you. It's only funny because of the double comparison.
All of America's much more consequential violence. Okay? It's the same reason as to why America, Kaya, please just
W.
All right, guys. I'm kidding.
Holy shit, good one.
All right, guys.
Oh, that's pretty funny.
From everything that I know privately, everything that Train and XQC said was accurate.
True.
And it continues to be accurate.
This is 5 years leading up to this moment where finally some hint, a light to the window is getting in that shows that we were not fucking brain dead.
I think that would be okay in general, but whenever you are trying to put forward a certain thing and trying to have this certain type of image, I think that it does damage to the entire, like streaming community when you have people that try to put on a false image and try to pretend to be somebody that effectively, personally they're not.
Is it too much ask? To just not be a fuckhead. Is it too much? It is, isn't it? Okay, my bad.